The way we move from one place to another has transformed dramatically over the years. Not only has the horsepower changed, but so has the way we create that power. The world is different. The way we do things is different. It's not just about keeping up, it's about leading, innovating, creating, making the future the present. Eclipse Automation is a full-solution automation provider with the know-how and global capacity to accelerate your transportation needs throughout the entire journey. Today's automotive industry is in a state of constant evolution, with rapid advancements towards a more sustainable future with electric, hybrid, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Eclipse Automation leverages decades of experience in the automotive industry, along with a culture of innovation to assist our clients in developing new automated processes. Our total vertical integration elevates us from the crowd, with full in-house control of all processes, from concept to installation, ensuring the highest quality standards and faster speed to market for every customer. Access to real-time data throughout your automotive manufacturing operation is crucial. This data provides many advantages, from enhanced product traceability to operation performance visibility and the ability to react faster to changing demands. Eclipse offers our global bench strength with experience in the key processes to design, build, integrate, install, and service end-to-end solutions for all your transportation needs. Let us put our know-how to work for you. Contact us today, and together, let's design and build the future. Eclipse Automation. EclipseAutomation.com.